Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Harrogate is a rural settlement in southeastern British Columbia, located in the Upper Columbia Valley near the western edge of the Rocky Mountains. The community sits along the Columbia River, surrounded by dense forests and steep mountain slopes. Positioned along Highway 95, Harrogate lies roughly midway between the towns of Golden and Radium Hot Springs, making it a quiet stopping point in one of British Columbia's most scenic mountain corridors. The Columbia Valley has been home to Indigenous peoples for thousands of years. The region is part of the traditional territory of the Tunaxa Nation, whose communities traveled throughout the valley following seasonal routes used for hunting, fishing, and trade. Rivers such as the Columbia served as important travel routes through the mountains, linking valleys and settlements long before modern roads existed. The forests, rivers, and wetlands of the valley provided abundant resources that supported life here for generations. European exploration began reaching the area in the early 19th century as fur traders and explorers moved westward through the Rocky Mountains. Members of the Hudson's Bay Company traveled along sections of the Columbia River system while mapping routes and establishing trade networks across Western Canada. Permanent settlement in the Harrogate area developed gradually during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Like other communities in the Columbia Valley, settlement was influenced by the availability of fertile land near the river and the surrounding forests. One of the defining natural features near Harrogate is the Columbia River itself. Flowing north from its headwaters in the Rocky Mountains, the river winds through the valley before eventually turning south and traveling more than 2,000 kilometers to the Pacific Ocean. Along its journey through British Columbia, the Columbia River creates wide wetlands and floodplains that support an incredible diversity of wildlife. Forests dominate much of the land around Harrogate, with stands of lodgepole pine, spruce, and fir covering the mountain slopes. These forests have supported forestry activity for many decades and continue to shape the local economy. At the same time, they provide important habitat for wildlife such as deer, elk, black bears, and numerous bird species that thrive in the mountain ecosystem. Today, Harrogate remains a very small and quiet settlement, reflecting the rural character of the Upper Columbia Valley. Many travelers pass through the area on their way to nearby national parks, mountain resorts, and outdoor recreation areas. Harrogate provides a glimpse of life in one of British Columbia's most striking natural settings. Thanks for watching.